Alright, it's the next day. I got everything ready for primer, all the spots. The other side as well. This is a little primer I did, a little bit of mess up. All this. This is the least, but it was quite some work. A little bit here. We got the front all put together. But right now I'm gonna wax and grease this for primer. I'll probably put a on my the GoPro on my head, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'm ready to wax and grease remove it. I have wax and grease removal in here. Pump it up a bit. Then I'm just gonna wipe it down. You guys are probably wondering why I have the tape lines. I'm not gonna go too far on it. I'm not gonna like create like thick lines, so when I'm wet sanding it's hard. I'm just gonna like lightly go through there. Got my camera ready, not my camera, my primer gun ready. Sprayed a little bit here to see how it goes, but got the air good. Start spraying. Spraying a little bit out of the ordinary, but it is a cheap gun, so looking all right. looking pretty good. Alright, well, that's probably all I'm going to do today. That's probably all I'm going to do today. Get started on the rest tomorrow. Alright, got everything sanded down. Primer I put last night, and this morning it came and put some of this low spot finder, and it did help because I did find a low spot right here. That's just not sanded down all the way, and also here I have a little bit of low spot here and a high spot right here, and I think we're gonna have to go back and finish this or perfect that over there. The rest looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the other side. This is not that much, but this is simpler. Alright, got all the body panels sanded down. Now I'm gonna add the second coat of primer, and then we'll go from there.